guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try and make this introduction as quick as possible because I know that when I watch these videos I don't like when they're talking too much. I just want them to get straight into it, and I know that I'm quite the chatty patty, so I'm going to try and make this introduction as quick as possible. Hopefully you guys have watched my university room tour already. That was really quite fun to film, and that was obviously my room while I was at university in Liverpool, but now I'm back in London at my parents' house, so I thought, yeah, why not, you know, kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. My bedroom here, last time it was painted was 9 years ago, and I'm just like, that's kind of nasty. So I feel like I want to just do like a fresh coat of white paint on top of the white paint that is already here. And yeah, I just think it would be cute to kind of show you guys me rearranging it, zhuzhing it up, you know. And yeah, I thought I'd just take you guys through the process and show you guys the final product when I come to it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope this introduction wasn't too long. Try to be as quick as possible. I can feel myself about to ramble, so I'm going to cut straight to the video. Looking kind of long. I'm so hot, like I'm hot and it's a bit tiring, not gonna lie, but I know the finished product will be cute. I hear my voice echo in my room because it's quite empty, if I say so myself, but it's hot. So I'll show you guys. I don't know much, I've literally just kind of done this wall, sort of, as you can kind of tell. You can kind of see the difference between this wall, look at this wall, and then look at this wall. So you can kind of see the difference, but yeah, I'm going to go over it properly. And yeah, see how it goes. See, girls, you can do things yourself. Who needs a man to do it for you?
Ryan Little.
But yeah guys, so I finished basically the main part, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and sort of do like just like my window sill area and like give that a clean and all that stuff. I'm still deciding whether or not I should move my stuff back into my room now, or if I should just fully wait for the paint to dry, but I'm going to show you whatever I decide to do, so stay tuned. I'll probably see you guys next tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day currently. I've started moving things back into my room. As you can see, like my bags, so just like threw them behind me. The paint has dried, which is lovely. The room looks so much more fresh and clean, which I absolutely love. I think the last thing I have to do now is just, as I said yesterday, move the rest of my stuff back into this room. I want to clean like the window sill area, so currently where you guys are sat now with my plants. I just want to give that a little clean, and yeah, I feel like that is this little room makeover done. So I'm going to show you guys all of that now, and stay tuned as I show you the whole room kind of together. So yes guys, we have finished. I will show you guys everything now. I honestly feel like white fresh walls make everything so much cleaner, so much better. Like, it makes such a difference. So yeah, let me show you guys.
Darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been.
So yeah guys, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys have actually really enjoyed it. I had a fun time actually making this video. It was really spontaneous. I literally woke up yesterday and I was like, right, I feel like I'm gonna change over my room, and things we did that. So yeah, I don't know, I just feel like, especially in lockdown, I feel like your room really should be, I guess, your sanctuary, because you spend so much time in here. So yeah, I just felt like redoing it, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I feel like there's still a few final bits that I want to add to my room and such, but as for now, like, I'm quite content with it. So yeah, if you guys in the future want to see like a room tour video of this room, I obviously have my university room tour, but I guess I'm back here in my parents' house. So if you want to see a room tour of this room here, like a proper in-depth one, once I've got everything sorted, then let me know and I'll happily provide. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Ew, that was cringe. See you guys in my next video in a bit. Bye.